Hey there, I'm going to teach you how to do a watermark for your YouTube channel. Let's get on with it. So, the first thing you'll want to do is Google this subscribe button PNG. So you grab one of these. There are a lot of choices. I already grabbed one, I have. And we're going to place it on Photoshop. You grab the subscribe button, not like this, sorry. You first grab your logo, which you have to set up first. I mean, you gotta have a logo if you're a YouTuber, right? And the subscribe button. Place it there, put it like here, and pretty much done. Save as PNG file, desktop, save, okay. You head over to YouTube, studio.youtube. You go over to settings, channel, branding, replace, or actually a logo one. I don't know what the button logos when you don't have one. Choose your miniature, your watermark, and I'm not gonna do it because I already have one. And done. Here you go. You have a goddamn watermark. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more free tutorials. Bye.